going to the beach today. I haven't been to the beach in like 3 years because I'm not a beach person. But she's a beach person and we're going to her favorite beach.
I'm gonna get a wave tattooed on my wrist. Did I tell you that?
No, you didn't.
Oh. Well,
So clearly she's a beach person and I'm not. So we'll see how this goes today.
I'm gonna make her swim.
I am excited though, which is surprising because I'm not a beach person at all.
I'm glad I'm making her. I'm gonna make her get in. I'm
gonna go in the water.
Good, because I like going in the water, and usually people just like to like lay down and tan.
Yeah, I'll go in the
Which is
water. I'm just not
annoying.
gonna go like far. It's our 2-year friendiversary. Oh. Hi, bestie. So I got Des a gift. She's gonna open it.
A note from Jessica. Do you have these printed?
I have my own cards, okay?
I love that. It's so cute. Aww, I love you. You're so cute. Oh my god. This is so funny. Literally, like, I saw a girl at my work have this and I was like, this is so cute. This is so me.
You also saw mine and you said you were gonna steal it.
Oh.
Because remember I have that?
This is so cute, Jess. I'm gonna transfer all my stuff right now.
You're gonna put, okay. Say hi. We've got Pizza My Heart. I've never had it before.
I can name every crystal that's on here.
Okay, do it.
Clear quartz, amethyst, oh no. Yeah, we know. Clear quartz, amethyst, rose quartz, tiger's eye, serenian, black opal.
You could be lying and I would have no idea.
Oh, something. Black obsidian. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Oh, I had it right. We're about to get wet from the ocean.
I made a heart. Okay. Bye.
Oh! Okay. Where's
Alright, we are all cleaned up. It's all packed up, put away, and now we're gonna head over to get some dinner.
Hi, taste test, guys.
Wait!
She's mad because she didn't take a picture.
I forgot to take a picture and we already
We
made
just
it.
got excited.
We already made it look
One,
ugly.
2, 3.
Uh-huh.
It's really good.
It's freezing now, but we're gonna get some ice cream anyways.
Yeah, but she has a jacket. I don't.
I have a jacket because I came prepared, unlike someone.
She came with like 15 bags.
Okay, I came with 2 bags.
This is the only thing I came with, and I didn't even
From
come
me.
with the purse.
From
She gave
me.
this.
By the way, from me. And I used everything in the bags, so